We're going to go over building a template. So in your operations equipment on the side tab or at the bottom, and you navigate over here to templates, you'll see a new template. This is a way for you to create repetitive builds that you may have. Maybe it's a line pack, a med pack, how your engine is set up, really doesn't matter. So you can go over here and hit new template. This will bring up a way for you to enter in the template name, description, the master asset. So this might be, for example, a bag or a line pack. You can select that. It is optional. You don't have to do that. And then you can go through and select the contents. If you don't have it uploaded already, you can create it manually or pick from your existing assets. So, maybe there's a fire pack, a radio. We're a medical company, so we have some other stuff, but we'll add those two. And then down in supplies, you can pick from your supply list if you've done that already, or again, you can manually create them. Pick through different categories, quantities, things like that. If for whatever reason, let's say you've added 2, but you only have 1 available, it will flag that for you when you go to create these. After you have the template, you can go ahead and hit save, and they will show up here on your templates page. So to actually create these, which will move them over into your assets, you'll hit build from template. And as you can see, it will pull up that template that you've created. You will have to give it a new name, right? It's an individual bag. Maybe you go by numbers or colors or whatever identifying information you may have. Go ahead and put that stuff in. It will verify what will be created. Again, if it is a supply or asset and you don't have enough of it, it will just flag it as red, but it will still allow you to create it. Scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll have a notification for some shortages, but it'll still work, and you can hit build once you enter in a name. After that, and you refresh and you go back to assets, you'll see the new asset built with your title and description, and it'll say container here. Containers are built from the templates, and that's how you get them in. And again, just taking that same information that we built and having it there, you can go through assign checklists for that specific piece of equipment or bag or whatever you've created.